everybody. I had a good feeling today and vlog tayo. Sana kung walang kakwenta-kwentang vlog itong i-upload natin ngayon mga katribo. It's just on my way home. Pero tatan muna tayo dito sa Alaminos. This is where all things started. So yesterday was a very productive day, and we had a chance to greet or to meet our fellow content creator here in Pangasinan. So nagkaroon ng Content Creator Awards doon sa Robinson's Place sa Calasiao, and marami tayong na-meet doon. I just want to show you our city here in Western Pangasinan. For those who are not yet been here for the last 10 years. What? 10 years? So there you have it. Love. Kung naghahanap kayo ng pinaka murang mga paninda, goods, diyan kayo pumunta sa Sesay. Also we have 7-Eleven. Dito sa Alaminos we have 4 7-Eleven with S, kasi marami. And there's the past college, something bump in. Bakit naman ganito to kuya? Ano ba kuya? Uy, daming tao dito, anong ganap? Oh, there's a religious activity here today. And by the way guys, today is Sunday. And ito, dito ang Alaminos City Don Leopoldo Season Convention Center. Abutan ko pa yan ng hindi pa ganyan yan. Parang covered court lang yan, pero ngayon it all improved. There you have it, Alaminos City Water District. And ito na yung gymnasium ngayon. Yan. Nandun nga pala yung school ko dati, St. Joseph, but Kulayo San Jose na siya ngayon, di Alaminos. My alma mater. Diyan ako nag-graduate ng college. And there you have it, your municipal hall, City Municipal Hall. Yan. No, Alaminos City Hall rather. So there you have it, may mga design pa dito. So ito ang Alaminos People's Park, home of the 100 Islands. There you have your Jollibee, your Save More, your McDo, your Red Ribbon, BHF Home Appliances, your McDonald's, your Neva Mall, and so much more. Oh, X-Max 300. We just go here, and then you have your Magic Appliances, STI, Youngway, yan, LBC, RCBC, Mercury Drug, Palawan Pawn Shop, Sanlaan, Chokes to Go, ano pa, China Bank, and the all new DV Mart. Ayan, fresh pa yan mga katribo. You have your Ropali, Producer Bank, Maybank, BDO, Land Bank, Andox, ayan, Yangcha, ayan, Honda, Adesa, yan, ano pa, your Yamaha revs your heart. Yan, that's it. That's all about Alaminos City. Hindi ko na kayo nalibot, pero for those who are from Alaminos City, alam niyo na kung pasikot-sikot ng Alaminos, right or left. I just want to comment something about for those who are individuals, persons right now that having a heavy problems or struggles or whatever you call it is, that I just want to say that you're doing good. Whatever you're doing right now, you're doing good, and it's okay to cry. People come and go, bad things, good things happens every day, pero you have to take a moment to realize that life is precious, life is beautiful, life is a gift from God, and whatever you are encountering today, tonight, it's all part of the process. Me personally, hindi ko alam ano mga nangyayari sa buhay ko lately, but one thing for sure, God has set its own purpose. Alright? So don't give up. Cry on the soldiers. What? Oh my God, kung kailan babanat na eh. Kapag mga ganito ang daan, you should take a proper precautions, kasi ang daan ay napaka dulas. What do you want, man? There's a big bike versus 1,000. Sobrang taas na motor na yun, hindi ko kaya yun. Sama ka sa habang buhay, Pilot Hotel.